Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video I'm joined with my husband Travis.
Hi.
And we are back at it with another unboxing and tasting of the Universal Yums subscription box. This is a snack box, and Travis likes snacks, and this is the best way to get them on my channel.
I'm back for the snacks.
True. So, if you want to see what's in this box, then let's unbox it. So Universal Yums is a monthly subscription, and it caters to collecting snacks from different countries, and it just shows up at your doorstep and you get a variety of snacks. Now, they are a little bit heavier on the chips, which I like, but Travis doesn't prefer, but I really like this box, and yeah.
I like the sweets.
They have some really good sweets. Sometimes, some months it's kind of like bland flavors, and some months it's like, oh my gosh, that's intense. So it really just caters to the country of choice, really. Okay, so this month...
What we got? Austria.
We have Austria, so that's interesting. Alright, so the first thing we're trying are these guys, and these are Pombar ketchup style ketchup-flavored potato snacks.
I've seen this in a couple places where it's like they have ketchup-flavored food.
We have tried one box that had ketchup-flavored.
Which is weird. Like,
oh, they're so cool.
You put ketchup on stuff, but I don't think of it as like a flavoring. Oh, they're supposed to be little bears.
Yes.
I didn't see that on the front.
I like these.
They're good. It's kind of that styrofoamy texture, almost like a pork rind. Or, rice cake.
Or pork rinds, yeah. But they are definitely flavorful. I like them.
They're good.
I rate these a 9 out of 10.
I'll go 8 out of 10. Alright, next we have Sunland Farm, or let's see, it's Kelly's Original Sunland Farm Garden Style Sour Cream Chips.
Cover my face.
Sour chips.
Okay, so these look like regular chips, which I'm all about.
But see, that's the thing with it, like, this is an international snack box.
Well, every country has
and we got sour cream and onion chips. Like, that's... And yeah, there's sour cream and onion chips.
But there are a variety of interesting snacks.
Yes.
I like it.
They're good. I want more different from our regular.
I'll eat the regular, and you can have the different.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
I give those a 9 out of 10. Those are good.
Like 5 out of 10.
These are, again, by Kelly. Sorry.
I see a lot of these Kellys.
So these are Snips. #1 selection. They look something peanut related.
They look like little peanut puffs.
Maybe that's what they are. Okay. So these are puffed corn peanut snacks. So it's a corn snack.
Corn peanut.
Corn peanut.
Corn nut? Well, corn nut is a thing.
Oh. Smells very interesting. This is what they look like. They're very
They look like little peanuts.
It's trying to be peanut butter.
Yeah.
It's trying really hard to be peanut butter. It's missing the sweetness to a peanut butter. Or like even a peanut in general. Like peanuts are a little sweet on my taste buds.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like sugarless peanut butter. It's like when you get that really natural one that you have to stir
really
and stuff.
Yeah. The oil separates. Yeah. Okay. These I don't like, so I'm going to say 5 out of 10. Alright, mister, you wanted something interesting?
It's different at least. Actually, since it's different, 6 out of 10.
What?
To be above...
What?
Yeah, to be above the sour cream and onion.
That's harsh.
We got Kelly's Zigener Radder, which looks like paprika pretzels or some kind of poof.
So these are paprika flavored corn, wheat, and potato snacks.
Corn, wheat,
and potato.
like all at once.
Yeah.
They look interesting. It's
Okay,
a
little wheels.
Yeah. It's a little
Okay, and they're
puff
puffs.
wheel.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like it does taste like there's probably corn, wheat, and potato all in there at once.
No.
I don't know if that's a good combination, really, but
I'm not 100% sure about these.
it still kind of tastes like the peanut thing.
These are better than peanuts.
Yeah.
To me.
I think it's just that it's such a corn puff type thing.
I give that a 6 out of 10.
I'll agree.
Alright, I think you're gonna like these. Alright, so the next snack we have here, so these are Schwarz Heisenberg Strangler.
That's exactly what that looks like.
These are
You should say.
black currant jellies with dark chocolate coating. Oh, I can't have these.
Oh, I'll protect you from the dark chocolate.
Dang, okay, well,
Terrible, terrible dark chocolate.
you don't seem so sad about it.
I mean, I'll enjoy protecting you from it. A little candy bar looking thing.
Yeah.
Like a creamy jelly
so
filling.
Good.
It's pretty tasty. It's like the chocolate and fruit.
Man. So the reason why I can't have it is because dark chocolate gives me a migraine. It's like one of my little food triggers. So dark chocolate and mint I stay away from.
There's just a little bit of like a black licorice aftertaste, which I don't like black licorice. But everything else is good enough to like
So you would
overcome
finish
that.
the bag?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will.
Oh, I mean,
For you.
Oh,
For
thank
you.
you. We understand you're taking one for the team. Okay, so how would you rate it?
9 out of 10.
Wow.
It,
Oh, okay.
it would almost get if it just didn't have that black licorice taste.
We give it a 10 out of 10.
Let's get our last chip thing out of the way. We got Kelly's again. Mini Fritz that are creamy onion. They look like French fries.
Yeah.
Almost.
Well, they all those chips, those potato chips that are like thin cut. Remember? They look like fries, but they're very thin cut. Oh, if my nails can grab one. But yeah, that's what they look like. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice onion flavor again.
Almost sour cream again. 10 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Alright, so the next thing out of the box. These are Pischinger Mandel Ecken. So, these are almond cream-filled wafers coated in milk chocolate and almonds. So we have wafers. I feel like we always have something wafer-related in a box. But, I mean, they've always been good. So this is what they look like. Squares. Little wafer squares.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good. That's nice. It's kind of that fancy chocolate taste. So I feel like Kelly's is kind of like the Lay's or the Doritos, and this Pischinger might be like Pepperidge Farm, where you get like that little fancier kind of snack. It's even the kind like the little upright bag like Pepperidge Farm.
These
Those are really
so
good.
good. I can give those a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, that's an easy 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'll continue with picking the really easy to pronounce ones.
Oh, that's what you're doing.
And get the Kastner Nut Joe. Oh, the actual name is longer. It's a Nut Joe Haselnuss Waffle. It is a hazelnut and chocolate cream-filled wafer. I guess I'll try it for you. That was really good too. Like, kind of just like the last one.
Softer.
And hazelnut instead of almond.
And that melts in your mouth. That's good.
These are some of the best, like, wafer snacks I think we've had. Usually
Yeah.
they've been kind of hit or miss, but...
They've been very Walmart brand. But this one, yeah. Some tea.
That would be good with some hot drink. Sit here on a rainy afternoon.
Is that what you're doing after the video?
Yes, I have my plans worked out.
So this is the... okay. Pschlinger Regel Haschnuss. Alright. So this is a hazelnut cream-filled wafer coated with dark chocolate and hazelnut.
So I guess hazelnuts is hazelnut.
Maybe. But it's dark chocolate, so I can't have it.
Oh.
But while he's trying that, let me just grab one I can have. Alright, so while Travis is trying that, I'm going to try the Fruscini. So this is a plum-filled gingerbread with dark chocolate coating. Come on! I can't have that. Okay.
I'll say that this is good. It's not as good as the other one. This is better. This doesn't have as much like hazelnut flavor. It's more just dark chocolate and wafers.
Nah. Alright, next. This is the Bobby Caramel Bar. So this is a milk chocolate bar with caramel, nougat, and crispy wheat rice. So I can try this. But I can't have the berry-filled one because it has dark chocolate. So you can... This box is all about you this month.
And it's gingerbread with plum filling dipped in dark chocolate. I broke off a corner just opening it. Which I don't think had any of the filling.
I'm not a fan of nougat.
I don't really know who is. Like, does anyone in the comments actually like nougat? I feel like it's always just this really chewy filling that gets stuck into some candy bars so that they're different.
I mean, it's not horrible. It's just very nougaty. The nougat, though, the flavor of the nougat is delicious. But the texture is just like... Oh. So for me, the Bobby Bar would get a 6 out of 10. I mean, that looks delicious. The Fruscini gingerbread filled with berry.
I mean, it's kind of like a softer Cliff Bar.
Oh, okay.
Is what I...
You used to love Cliff Bars.
Yeah.
Alright, so what would you rate it?
Still chocolate, so I'll go 7 out of 10.
Okay, 7 out of 10. Okay, so this looks super interesting. So this is the Kastner gingerbread. So it's a soft gingerbread with hazelnut, almonds, candied orange, and sugar glaze.
That sounds awesome.
That sounds fantastic.
Does gingerbread come from Austria?
I don't know.
I feel like we haven't had many gingerbread snacks before, and now there's a couple.
I mean, there could be gingerbread everywhere. It's just the box doesn't go for it.
This is like when we were watching the British baking show, and we're like, what would American bread be? And it was like, okay, we got like cinnamon buns and hamburger buns. I don't know what else.
Yeah. That's good. You definitely get that orange right away.
This tastes like something fancy from the British baking show. You're like, oh, there's notes of orange and
Yes.
hazelnut.
It's delicious. Okay, I'm saving this for some tea. So the next one we're trying, this is the Milch Wafflet. So this is a strawberry cream filled wafer with chocolate.
A wafflet.
Or waffle? I don't know how. Wafer? Is that how they spell wafer?
I think there was something else on here was wafflet.
Yeah. But it was a wafer, essentially.
And this looks like a little wafer.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cute.
I do feel like in this one we got maybe more like little bar type things, which is nice.
That's good. I like that it's not overly chocolate, but you really get the strawberry.
This is just like the little cream wafers.
But better. 10 out of 10. That was really good.
Yeah, well, really.
And then they also gave us, ooh, yes.
Last little bit.
And they also gave us a second one, so that's cool. All right, so these are the second to last thing in the box, and these are Heisenbergs. These are dark chocolate coated strawberry mousses.
They really like their dark chocolate.
And it's mousse. I love mousse. Oh man, they look so good.
I am liking the theme of like the fruit with chocolate.
Yeah,
They're doing a lot of that.
Oh, it looks so soft.
There's a little pink mousse. I mean, it's not good. You should.
It's not good.
Yeah, you don't want these.
So how would you rate it?
It's really good. It's like a 10 out of 10.
Like I can't even hear him. All right, so 10 out of 10. I mean, they look freaking delicious. So.
Yeah, they're awesome. I'm sorry.
That's okay. At least you're being honest. All right. So the last thing in the box. These are.
This has not been your box.
Dang. Cool mint lemon.
There's two things that give her migraines. It's dark chocolate and mint.
So these are lemon peppermint patties with chocolate coating. Oh my gosh. These would be great for a movie.
I mean, it sounds like a fancy junior mint.
That's what they were called. Yeah. Yeah? You getting the lemon?
I don't know. It's not as like sweet of a mint as like a junior mint.
Okay. This is more like straight up mint. Like the plant.
Yes.
Which
is still pretty good. I think I might like the actual junior mints better than this one.
Oh, okay. So how would you rate them?
I'll go like 7 out of 10.
Okay. Not bad. Not bad. All right. So 7 out of 10 for the cool mint lemon patties. All right, so that completes the box from Austria and all the goodies. So there were definitely a lot of dark chocolate snacks in here that unfortunately I cannot eat, but
it's okay. I'll protect her and get rid of all of these dangerous dark chocolates.
Thank you. So I'm glad. I'm glad that Travis is here and
she'll be safe.
Yeah, thank you. They appreciate you too. It's like he's trying to get acknowledgement. And again, check my description box if you're interested to get this box, this snack box. I've left all that information down below. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a snacking moment with us. We do appreciate you. And if you are returning to my channel, thank you for all the continual love and support. You guys are amazing. And I really do appreciate all the love and just continual growth on my channel. It's been amazing. And so yeah, this was great. This was fun. Travis has a lot of dark chocolate and mint to get through, and I have some chips to just keep me company. So we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.